The big news is that FDA has approved Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. They're both highly effective, over 90%, and the data currently is showing safety. And if people adapt and embrace this vaccine, we can crush this pandemic in 2021. One thing I want people to know, this vaccine cannot give you COVID. There is no virus in this vaccine, not even a part of the virus. When you get the COVID vaccine, there is a message that is being sent inside your body to start building antibodies against this virus. And the example is just like this vaccine is like an email going into your body with a Word document, and now your body is going to make 10,000 copies of it. So essentially the vaccine has an mRNA, a messenger RNA. So there is a message to my cells to start making a certain protein of the virus, which the body will then recognize and feel, oh my God, the virus is in, I got to build up immunity against it. And within 2 to 3 weeks of the second shot, your body will have that immunity. Currently, all of them require 2 shots, so you don't want to miss your second shot. While second shot, of course, boosts your immunity, defenses will be strong, that if you are truly exposed to that virus, the body is going to crush it at the outset. Acute side effects, which are the side effects that you have right after the vaccine, could be higher than a flu shot or a pneumonia vaccine. We call it reactogenicity. And the numbers for that, for example, for you to develop a fever, body aches, generalized fatigue, or pain at the injection site could be anywhere from 3 to 9%. That's a high number as compared to regular vaccines. So I don't want people to be alarmed if they feel really sick, but it typically goes away within a couple of days. So currently over 70,000 volunteers have received either the vaccine or the placebo arm between both Moderna and Pfizer, which means over 35,000 people like you and I have received the vaccine. And we have almost 2 months of data right now. 99% of vaccine side effects happen within that time period. So 2 months is a very good amount of time. At present, these vaccines have not been studied for under the age of 12, but most of these vaccines they will gradually continue to enroll younger and younger subjects. But as of today, we don't have data on children or expecting moms. It's heartening to see how much collaboration we have around operationalizing this vaccine. First, it was just developing a vaccine, but many in our industry in infectious diseases always say it's not vaccines that save lives, it's the vaccination. So now we are at that stage. We are offering it in the University of Maryland system, but it's a tiered approach. We are starting with our frontline staff, and after that, most likely it's going to go to the nursing homes and elderly and immunocompromised. So depending upon your risk, just come and join me in that line and we will all be safe. So the goal here is, within a year or 2, we should make COVID irrelevant so we can go on with our lives. The stadiums are full again, and COVID is just existing in that ecosystem somewhere.